If you had some good laughs today, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more hilarious animal compilations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.
Sir, is this necessary? You're purring so loud. I'm trying to sleep.
An elephant cleaning up the environment. Yeah, we officially lost the title of most intelligent species.
Can we keep the fan club to a minimum? No touching.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
Us trying to squeeze into our pre-holiday jeans like.
How the hell?
Arthur, come! Come! Arthur! Hey, come!
Is it snowing? Oh my goodness, did you see the snow? Oh, you love it when it snows, don't you?
So that's Lucy. So she just did a penguin greeting. So that's Lucy.
Hey, not everyone who hops is excited, buddy. That's just how toads are built. The orange cat is the most romantic of all the cats.
Mira, mira cómo vienen las chapas vienen. ¡Ay,
Aquí le podemos dar.
Hey, you! Hi! It's Squishy!
Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever.
Que delícia, mamãe! Ai, solinho! Ai, solinho! Ai, que delícia, mamãe! Oh my God!
Give that buffalo a cape. He's the superhero of the animal kingdom.
Nina, gently lang.
Oh! Come here.
Swimming is a natural survival skill for many cats, but very few seem to enjoy it this much.
Oh, you gonna scare him away, buddy? He smells your french fries, are
You might need a few more tries, buddy.
Suspect was caught red-handed or black-pawed with some leftovers. Cats can be mischievous, but they always carry a calm energy when someone they like is around.
No wonder my dog wants to stay with Grandpa.
They can even be best duo. See ya!
Who's that, Archer? That's Eloise. That's your sister, bud.
Welcome to where fur meets funny. Get ready for the most chaotic puppies, guaranteed to make you die laughing.
You're free! Aqui. E
Tá, ni yuk ni dah. Đừng cho đừng vô cái. Đừng vô cái. Ơi.
Every now and then, a mouse decides to change the rules.
Your feline supervisor is on duty. Just make sure everything is fluffy.
Those animals are officially geniuses. If they blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe for more.
Nothing special here, just a random cat making a smile. Hit follow now.
Christ, bro! What? Bro, holy. Bro, what the actual. Holy.
This is basically a live-action version of a cartoon. If I can't see you, you can't see me.